good evening. I'm starting the vlog late in the evening, which is unlike me, but it's only because I've really done nothing exciting except for tonight. I'm letting loose. Checking in from my friend's house, Nick. We are having a little get together night out with the girlies and Nick from work. First time I'm going out with them, by the way, can I just say. I hate the fact that I'm wearing this jacket for the 90th time. I really need a new wardrobe, and I was just stressing to Lewis then because I have no clothes. But I need to get over myself and just enjoy the night. I'm going to introduce some new members to the vlog and show you what we get up to today. We've got Nick and Melina. Cheers! Oh, that was aggressive. Oh. Melissa and Alida. Hello. And Livy. She watches my YouTube. I do. She's a little subscriber. Yeah. Cheers. It's not looking good, bruv. Jesus Christ. Things got too silly last night. I got in at 2:30. I've got a bruise under my chin because I decided to do the worm at Prees, and I've got a shift. To be fair, everyone that went out last night has a shift, so I think people are going to feel worse than me because they stayed out. I got in, I took my makeup off, tried to down some water, and then I was like, oh, I just need to go to sleep. It's not big and it's not clever, in the words of Debbie Cleary. This is my breakfast. Ham, cheese and tomato sandwich. And I'm struggling. I'm struggling to eat it.
Dentist last week.
Oh, how'd it go?
Oh, yeah. Just
What are we on?
Lamb shoulder, we think pumpkin, roast potatoes, carrots, Yorkshire pud, greens, gravy.
And
Cauliflower mac and cheese.
mac and cheese.
Macaroni.
Cheese.
Oh my god.
Morning vlog. Pulled it out my arse. It's been a few days since my hangover, and I'd filmed nothing other than the roast dinner because I couldn't be asked to film. I was in a sorry state, but I'm back now and I'm with Lewis on our day off. We've picked up a little coffee from Mr. Summit, and then we're walking to get a little bagel in the CBD for some breakfast. Got busy-ish day. We've actually not got anything too crazy going on. Love the traffic, but yeah, you're coming along with us for the day.
That's literally just what we need.
A breakfast bagel, bacon, hash brown, cheese, egg.
Yeah, okay. Tomato relish.
Tomato relish. And I've got a chicken and avo, or chuck and avo. Hey. Oh, the apartment saga continues. We were just looking around one in Windsor, which is basically South Yarra or Pran.
I don't know, it says Prawn on the map, on the listing. But then I'm pretty sure it said Windsor when I put it in Google Maps. I don't know.
It's a perfect location, and it was the perfect size. We loved the kitchen and the bathroom was fine. But the sound, you could hear the motorway literally, well, you were next to it. You were literally right next to the motorway, and the main reason we're moving is for that. Where we are now, we're overlooking the highway and motorway. But this one was, you're like 10 seconds walk away. It was very, very loud. So it's a no. It is a no, but we are gutted because we both really liked it, and it's quite hard for us both to agree. And the location was ideal. So we go again. We have to go again. This is the whole point of the apartment hunting. You eliminate the things that you like and don't like about property. Any comments?
No, just kind of put the aircon on now.
Yeah, we're just driving to Chadstone Shopping Centre, and the weather is like booming today. Ooh, that's disgusting, why did I say that?
Booming.
Booming, the weather's booming. The weather is
Banging.
chef's kiss.
You would say banging.
That doesn't sound nice, does it? But I am getting
Weather's heaps good.
sweaty upper lip, so
So
cut to shopping. Got any facts about this place, Lou?
It's massive. Well, it's the biggest mall in the Southern Hemisphere, which, if you think about it, it's not that impressive because most of the Southern Hemisphere is ocean or third world countries. So, and a little crop number.
You want a crop t-shirt?
Yeah. Not like.
Crop jumper. I can't eat that really.
Try to turn it up. Can't really turn it up.
Get a full
Oh, cool.
straighten up.
What?
Why did they just stop playing?
What a gimp. These must be for kids.
I've fallen in love with these glasses for fashion purposes.
These are the ones. They're definitely
I
the
actually think you look like
My dad.
no, what's that film called? The Matrix in them. I prefer the blue.
Do you?
Yeah, you look like the Matrix.
You thingy serum or whatever it is you need.
No.
You said you had to order from Amazon.
No.
Why not? It's a makeup shop.
Because it's a bloody Chinese brand from Amazon shop. It's not a reputable
How
brand.
did you find it then?
I don't know.
Well, can you not get one from there?
No.
That's a reputable brand.
No. Is it too baggy?
Yeah, it is too big, yeah.
It's $500.
But it is too big, I'm not just saying it.
This one.
Look at this one. A gold chandelier.
Look at that on there.
Do you know the reference? Do you know the reference
I
that is
don't,
there?
actually.
You can insert the clip after and everyone will find it for you.
Honey, honey, honey.
What's that on your wrist?
I call a chandelier.
We're in a little bit of a pit stop. All the shopping is made us hungry. I realised we've been out for breakfast and now dinner.
Yeah, no. The fat pigs.
I'm going to swear them, might you? Got 2 Zinger Stackers
No, I think
burgers.
they're just tower. I think Stecker's like 2.
2 Zinger Tower burgers.
Yeah.
KFC over in Australia, do you say it's better or would you say it's the same?
I'd say it's the same.
It's really good. But McDonald's is like disgusting over here.
It's disgusting everywhere. Yeah, I have space. Oh yeah, that's miles better. Yeah. I have quite narrow feet. How slick is that?
I know.
Yeah, I really like them.
Probably
not going to be buying the jumper.
It's time. Okay, so in the DJI shop, he was trying to sell me the Neo 2.
Why do you always wait till we're right close to what we're going to buy? Because now you're going to stand in front of it or walk around and leave me stood around, aren't you?
Oh my
I can
god, stop being annoying. Well, the whole point of the shopping trip was to come and buy a drone. And what have we come away with? A new pair of
new
shoes.
bra.
Excuse me. A new pair of shoes for Lewis, trainers, and 2 jumpers. We've both got a jumper each. So, still no drone. But the main reason for this is because we went to the DJI shop and the guy was trying to sell us a completely different drone to what we had in mind. He was just saying like, you need a Neo 2, it's safer to use, it's not going to crash into things, safety detection or something, obstacle detection. But we wanted the 4K mini 4K, however you say it. And he was just saying if you've never had a drone before, you might struggle to use it. And I was like, fuck off mate. So we went in GBHI.
Jesus Christ.
JB Hi-Fi, which is kind of like a Curry's kind of vibe. It sells
got TVs and
technical
really.
stuff, mobile phones, stuff like that. And the guy,
technical stuff.
technical
Only
stuff.
sells complicated equipment.
And the guy came up to us and was like, "Come here. Oh, I'm not explaining this story right because Lewis is walking away. Despite the guy in the DJI shop trying to sell us something else, we both agreed, no, we're going to stick with what we want. And then he said, oh, we don't have any of that in stock. We went to another shop and we're like, right, okay, we want this drone. We didn't say we've never used it before because they kind of talk you out of it. And he was like, come here, I've got a secret for you. Can you wait? Like, don't buy this drone yet. And I was like, why? And he's like, a new one is getting released in a few days' time. It's worth the money and it's better quality and all this stuff. So we're gonna wait basically, aren't we?
Yeah, long story short, this is where I would have gone about it. When in DJI tried to sell us a drone that... No, I've messed it up big time.
Wow.
Long story short, nothing actually.
We've not got a drone.
We've not got a drone. The one that we wanted originally, there's a new one coming out next week, so we're just going to get that.
Yeah, but he was being really, really funny. He was like, honestly, I could lose my job for this. Please come here. I have to tell you, like, in secret. And he took us down this weird aisle and told us that. And I was like, really, mate? Not top secret information. Hello, vlog. Good morning. I'm having steak for breakfast. It is actually, what, half 11? Is that the time?
Something like that,
It's like brunch, shall we say. It's just because me and Lewis have had like separate mornings. He went to get a haircut, we both got a coffee on the way, and then I went on a walk while he was getting his haircut and at the gym, and now we're eating breakfast together. Starting the vlog off in my towel, because I don't have a dressing gown. I need to bloody get one. I've been here nearly a year and I don't have a dressing gown. It's criminal. I would show Lewis, but he's got no top on, so we'd get done for nudity. Guys, we're at another inspection, another flat viewing. This must be like the 12th one now. Fingers crossed it's the one because I am sick to death of looking at them. It's in South Melbourne still, which is great, good. The area's looking good. Let's go, let's find out.
So two-way access to the bathroom and bedroom.
So not that bad.
That's following, isn't it? That's why the photos were really small. It is small, to be fair.
It's fine though, isn't it? Actually do the job.
Because there's barbecues out there as well, which is quite handy. I'll just grab your details.
Sorry.
Sorry, your first name? O-N-G. H-U.
It's literally like there, isn't it? Like that's what you can see now.
I don't mind that.
Yeah, it is. That's not a hot tub one.
Yeah, it is a hot tub one. It's not one.
That'd be pretty nice in the summer.
Guys, I'm getting so frustrated. The issue I had with that one was the lighting. It just felt really dingy and dark. And I know that it's like, what time are we on? 5:30 at night. But it's still quite light outside, and she said that the windows are tinted, which means no one can see in unless you've got the big light on, then they can see in.
It was too low, and the courtyard where like the swimming pool is and the hot tub and the barbecues was one level below. So in the summer, if I'm just sat watching TV or we're making tea or anything, people can just look in.
Yeah, no,
I don't like it. There's no privacy whatsoever. Yeah.
But other than that, we didn't mind it. The building's great, the location's good, parking, obviously the courtyard with the pools and the jacuzzi was lovely. But it's just gonna feel too dingy and dark. I mean, it wasn't massive. We've seen bigger ones. I don't know, we're just really fussy.
If you don't finish yours, there's going to be serious judgment cast. It should be like the entrance into Eton on a Wednesday.
I just gate crashed Wednesday club. The boys meet every Wednesday and I tagged along today and we went to the La Roche for a Palmer night. It was yummy, but I am full to the brim. I don't think I finished it, but you did, didn't you?
Yeah, just about, yeah. Massive.
You're gonna be able to toilet now, aren't you?
Yeah.
Guys, it's time. I'm picking up my new drone. Me and Lewis got told the right information from the guy in Chadstone. He was telling the truth and it did get released today, the new drone, and I ordered it online to pick up after work, and that's where I am now. I'm so excited to finally have a drone. This is like the world's biggest shop. Lewis said it's like Curry's, but it's more like DFS, and then it sells electricals, so I'm on a wild goose chase. I've got the goods. I'm gonna wait till I get home to open it. Also, I'm scared to break it, so I'm gonna give it to Lewis. The moment of truth, guys.
This is where I rip the box open.
What does it have, sellotape?
Yeah.
You're excited.
Whoa. Whoa. Oh.
Is it heavy?
No, it weighs literally nothing.
Oh my god, that is so light.
That's like, I could drop it.
That's like 2 kg.
I feel like we need a bag for it.
Does it not come with one?
No.
So this is the controller it comes with, and it doesn't have a screen. If you do want a screen, I think it's like $200 extra. Whereas with this one, you just clip your phone onto the top, and then your phone kind of acts as a screen. We're going cheapo mode. We're just pairing the
I didn't realise it was filming.
aircraft to the phone, to the remote, I think.
What would you do if it went boom now
No.
and put an all in the room? That's actually so scary. Straight in, low battery, recharge promptly.
Brilliant.
That was scary.
My plan is to get Lewis
First
to
use
learn and then I
RCN3.
learn from him. Wow, I literally went out last night and I wanted to put it on the vlog and I completely forgot. Oh, I don't know why. All week I've been saying, right, I'm going to end the vlog when I go out on Saturday because I knew. But anyway, it's Sunday. It's the day after. And I just went and got myself some food from Mr. Summit, which is round the corner. And the girl was like, are you hungover? I was like, is it that obvious? She was like, I had this in my hand because I went and bought this from Woolies before I went and got a toasty. She was like, you drink? I thought, it is 7 o'clock in the morning to be fair, and I'm carrying around a Powerade. Is that weird? Maybe I look rough, maybe I look hungover. I can't even get that off. Went out for Kieran's birthday. So there's a couple called Millie and Kieran. She's got the same name as me. And we've been out with them a few times and it was his birthday. So they invited me to go to Bottom's Brunch in South Bank, which was convenient because I live in South Bank. And then we just went to like some rooftop bars and yeah, it wasn't a late night, guys. I got in for like 10. I was out at 4:30. That's quite a big shift, isn't it? Yesterday I woke up so early. I woke up at 10 to 5 and it's because I had to start work at 5:30. It was Anzac Day, so over here in Australia and in New Zealand they've got a day called Anzac Day, and they basically pay respects to those that fought in the war and also the current members that are still in the like armed forces and things like that. So it was a day to like commemorate and pay respects, and I was working because it's a public holiday over here. Right. My alarm just went off then and stopped the recording. That is so annoying. What I was saying is that I had a very long day yesterday. I was up at 4:50 and then I got in at 10 p.m. That is just like a big fat shift. I'm gonna eat my breakfast because I've got work in, well, my alarm just went off, so I've got work in an hour. A little toasty. Salami, pesto, olive, cheese, tomato. And I've had it before and it is unreal. I don't know if you can see that. If it's gonna focus. They put salt on the bread and it's got like pesto in it and olives and it's just so good. It's gonna be it from me now, guys. I'm gonna eat this and I'm gonna end the vlog here because the next vlog is gonna be so exciting and it's nowhere in Melbourne. Me and Lewis are going on a little holiday and I'm so excited. Although we live here in Australia, which kind of feels like a holiday all the time, we're working, so we've decided we're gonna have a little break, just us two, for a few days. I think it's like 10 days or something altogether. Can't wait to bring you along and get it on the vlog. So anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here and see you in the next one, hopefully. Thank you so much for watching. If you could give me a little like and a comment, that would mean the world. And yeah, bye.